Welcome to my channel. Enjoy watching.
A round of applause, please. Once again, our fifth runner-up, Mrs. Bella Banyag. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Mrs. BHW 2024 fourth runner-up, Mrs. Angeline Pardinas. Once again, a big round of applause to our fourth runner-up, Mrs. Angeline Pardinas. Also, please welcome our third runner-up, Mrs. Salve Marco. Ladies and gentlemen, our third runner-up, Mrs. Salve Marco. Also put our hands together to our second runner-up, Mrs. Agnes San Agustin. Once again, a big round of applause to our second runner-up, Mrs. Agnes San Agustin. Let us all welcome our Mrs. BHW 2024 first runner-up, Mrs. Rita M. Pana. And ladies and gentlemen, please welcome this year's Mrs. BHW 2024. A round of applause to Mrs. Roseanne B. Adolfo. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to our Mrs. BHW 2024. Alright, thank you to our queens. And you are all looking gorgeous and elegant this afternoon. Now to formally start our program, I invite everyone to please stand for the invocation and please. Isang taon na ang nakalipas na ako ay tinanghal ng Mrs. BHW 2023. Ako ay lubos na nag-aganap dahil sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, ako ay naitanghal ng Mrs. BHW 2023. ko akong tinanggap ang karangalan ito na buong puso at walang pagkukulman. Bilang isang Mrs. BHW, ako po ay nakikilahok at lubos na sumusuporta sa mga programang pinapatupad ng ating pamahalaan. Ako po ay nakikiisa upang makatulong sa aking mga kababayan ukol sa mga usaping pangkalusugan at mental health. Sa paraang ito, masasabi ko po na nagampanan ko ang aking tungkulin bilang isang matapat na mamamayan at inyong hinirang.